Hi guys, today new delivery, new unboxing, and today I got something which has just been released just a few days ago. It has been announced maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and the store got it on Monday. I ordered it online and got it just today. So today we are Wednesday, and so there's the box. So I'm just going first. I remove my address, but okay, and I'm able to open it or not. Okay, okay. Now I destroy a bit the box, but inside we have this. So I put everything on the floor. So I inaugurate the new desk with this device. So you probably know Violectric. Violectric is a company. They are also known as lake people. They are located in south of Germany, in the state of Baden-Württemberg, and I think they are around the Lake of Constance. I didn't check that before, but anyway. And they make many very interesting appliances, amplifiers, and DAC also. And maybe one day I will be lucky enough to unbox one, but so far I just have this one. So this has been released really just a few days ago, and the goal is to have a very simple but audiophile portable DAC, something you can carry with you and use it on your phone, for example, or maybe on your computer, Mac, PC, or whatever. So here are the characteristics. You can see here. So it's going, so it will work perfectly with Qobuz, and made in Germany. And yes, so they are located in Constance. I didn't check that before, but they are in the city of Constance, which is by the lake anyway. Okay, so let's open it, and maybe I should, I don't know, maybe I should make a picture of it so I can have a, I don't need for that. Okay, so let's open it. As I use my phone, I won't be able to test it right away. I have my second phone with me, an Android. At least for now, I have it. Soon I will replace it because first I damage it, and second it's Android, and I know there are fans of, you know, I don't want to go in the fight which one is better. I have, okay, I cannot just stop talking, just up. I will use a pen to push it a bit. Just don't want to damage all the box. No, okay. So if I do it correctly, it's better. Okay, so we have the box, and we have different things. Okay, the user guide in English, hopefully, or only in German. We have the user manual, yes, user guide, in English and in German. So I will have a look at this. There's nothing else in the box. We have a USB-C micro USB adapter, USB-C to USB-C, and a USB-C to Lightning, so for Apple users. iPhone, actually, for iPhones, because iPads, I think some iPads still have the Lightning. My iPad has a USB-C. So, and we have well-protected, the well-protected tiny DAC. So I can show you up Violectric CHRONOS, USB-C. I guess this is for the volume. The 3.5 millimeters jack, mini jack, and some information here you can probably see. So Violectric CHRONOS, made in Germany, portable digital to analog converter, and headphone amplifier. Okay, so now I'm very curious to try it. This, okay, I didn't start a collection of devices like that, but before I had this, it's a bit customized. This is the Apple one, Lightning to 3.5 millimeters. I just added some stuff to make it a bit more, I would say, resistant, or to be more, yeah, let's say less fragile. I have also the USB-C version I bought for the iPad. So before it was exactly like this. So I just put some kind of gum around, and then a sleeve, you know, something can shrink with heat. So just to make it a bit more reliable. And I had also this is something I got a few months ago, something that for music I don't really like. It's convenient for phone calls, but when you have meetings, but I don't use it, honestly. It's the Sound Blaster, yeah, you know, the Play 4. And so it's on the desk, and I think I use it only when I made a video with some tests. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So those will go on the side, and hopefully this will go. So I don't know if I have Qobuz actually on this phone. That's a good question. Do I have Qobuz? Oh yes, I do. Okay. I need to enter my password, so I need to check my password because I don't have it. So yeah, anyway, that's not a big deal. I guess you plug it, so you plug it to your phone, and then there's some light, and you just need to play some stuff and plug a. That's pretty nice. It's very well made, I have to say. You have really the feeling of having something. It's not heavy. I think there's some kind of glass, or. But yeah, the overall feeling is really something well made, very nice quality, and this effect is pretty nice as well. So now I need to test it and see if it's going to be my companion when I'm walking, when I'm outside. Probably I will use it, as I don't have so many headphones, closed back headphones. I will use it with the Shure I have, the 1540, and so yes, this is something I unboxed a few months ago, and yeah, I just kind of customized. Actually, I changed also the earpads and the headband, because the original one was not that great. So this is a I would say a mod I've seen on the forum. I think it was Edfi, I'm not sure. And so yeah, I changed this. And it's pretty nice. So I like to use it outside when I'm in my room and I listen to my music. I usually use over headphones, and yeah, which are better, I think. Anyway, so the goal was not to talk about the Shure, but to talk about this. So I will try it a bit, and I will see how good it is. So you can have some, let's switch to English here. Yes, so this is the scope of delivery, you can see. So this is what you saw. And okay, 2020 headphones. Oh, okay, so it means I can use my Sennheiser HD800S. Okay, it's white, PCM green, DSD blue. Ah, it's changing colors. So here it's currently PCM because it's green. DSD blue. Okay, I have to try. Logo indication. Control. Yeah, pretty simple, well made. So I'll let you know if I like it or not. So yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.